How you guys doing today?
Good sir.
Good sir.
Good, Sonny,
sir.
good. Okay, now class, who did your homework for the weekend? CJ didn't do your homework.
No.
Before me send a guy bed, I know what for your homework. Your top nice one, slap it down in this.
Badness.
Man, make you so nice tonight. Make you can't sleep again. Hear that little boy.
Nah, take that. Take that.
Ease yourself, man.
Yo, CJ.
Yo,
White time.
6:30.
That make him do last night.
No, CJ, dog. Yeah, no, CJ, dog.
Okay, now class. Your mother call. I take care of him. Calm down, I take care of him, man. I take care of him. Want the ice cream when you come back? Want the ice cream? Alright. Later. No, you hang up. I'll teach you in class now. Later. Alright. CJ wanna say she want the ice cream now. What flavor she like? Strawberry. Alright. Strawberry she like. Thanks. Okay, class, that's it for this session. Go for our lunch. You can get me lunch money. You don't say? You can get me lunch money, please? Oh! Yeah, I'm buying my practicing and rice and peas there. Yeah, hurry up and come back. Quick.
You have to go thump him, bro. Can't go and treat us so
dog. I'm
dog.
a stepfather, dog. I can't do that, dog.
Yeah, I mean, brother, man, this so dog. Man, this so, bro. Man, this thing, bro.
Welcome back to class, guys. We'll now have a quiz.
My God, sir.
So me nah
Can't
do it,
bother,
though.
no.
I swear, me nah do a quiz. You know not that tonight. Make you dead feel hungry. Me don't want a stinking dinner. Remember your overnight food? Come to it. Me name that. So do you quiz now? Class, want to hear a funny story? No say why pissed in bed last night? Ease yourself, little boy. Me a man for you, hear that? So ease yourself.